After the first hearing, which concluded late Wednesday, Minister of Legal Affairs Basil Williams told the news media that he was surprised that former Attorney General Anil Nandlall had made submissions, even though the opposition did not file any legal proceedings. Mr. Williams stated that the government still relies on the Constitution, which stated that a two-thirds majority was needed in order for the vote to be passed in the National Assembly.
Obviously, the way he jumped up is because he understood the cogent arguments that were made. But what he said hasn't changed anything. It's a simple thing. No less a person than the former president of the CCJ in looking at our Constitution with two categories because of the words all elected members. And the other categories that were, the other articles that were mentioned, if you check them, you see it's two-thirds of all elected members. Not that simple or absolute.
Inside the courtroom, Nandlall during his arguments relied on the challenge of Attorney-at-Law Christopher Ram, who by way of constitutional proceedings is asking the court for a declaration that the no confidence motion was properly, validly and lawfully passed by the National Assembly on December 21, 2018. Contrary to Minister Williams' argument about the two-thirds majority vote, Nandlall told the media that the Constitution is clear and that the government needed to follow this important aspect of the Constitution.
I had to draw the distinction between cabinet and the government so as to make the distinction which the Constitution makes. Cabinet must resign, but the government will remain in office. And there's a reason why, because cabinet is simply the nucleus of the executive. Government of Guyana includes much more than cabinet. So while cabinet will resign, the government will remain in place until the next elections.
Javon Vickery, HGP Nightly News.